In a vast desert, where the sun blazed and the sands stretched far and wide, there lived a tiny beetle named Buzzy. Buzzy was unlike any other beetle. He had a unique talent: he could collect water. One day, Buzzy noticed that the desert was suffering from a severe drought. All the plants were wilting, and the animals were struggling to find water. Buzzy felt a pang of concern. He decided to take action. With his tiny legs, he dug a hole deep in the sand and waited for it to fill with rainwater. But days passed, and the skies remained dry. One day, a scorpion named Scrooge, known for his cruelty, saw Buzzy's effort. Instead of offering help, he laughed and mocked Buzzy, saying, "Water? You think you can save this desert with your tiny hole?" Buzzy, however, didn't lose hope. He continued his work, digging deeper and deeper, praying for rain. And finally, one day, the skies opened up, and a heavy rain poured down. The rain filled Buzzy's hole, creating a small but significant water source. The desert began to bloom, and the animals rejoiced. Buzzy, the humble beetle, had saved the desert. Scrooge, witnessing the transformation, felt remorse. He approached Buzzy and apologized for his mockery. Buzzy forgave him, teaching Scrooge a valuable lesson about the power of persistence and the importance of helping others. The moral of the story is, never underestimate the power of small efforts and always help those in need. For even the smallest act of kindness can have a profound impact on the world.